Hey guys, Candida here, and this 100 pack of the 3-ounce paper cups has a variety of uses. One of the uses I found for these 3-ounce cups is in the bathroom. I'm able to stick them in my cup holder and have them for mouthwash cups. I can use them for water cups, anything else that I need to do on the vanity. Another great use for these cups is I can use them for snack cups. My kids are always needing a snack, and these are small enough that I can fill them up with some of their smaller snacks and send them on their way. I also like to use these for small water cups or juice cups. These are also ideal for parties. And so they are the small 3-ounce cup, but they're perfect to fill with some of the small candy items. They are easy to store. They come in a pack that is sealed, and so if I don't need to open them right away, I can keep them in the sealed pack and stick them up in the cupboard. I also like to pair these with my cup organizer to help keep them organized and tidy.